Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the Instagram display on iPhone. So basically Instagram has two type of mode or display mode. There will be a dark mode and light mode. So here, as you can see on my Instagram account, I use the dark mode one, and let's change this dark mode into the light mode. To change it, you just need to go back into your home screen and let's visit these settings. And in the setting, you just need to scrolling down until you found this display and brightness. And in this appearance, you just need to change from dark into the light. Wait until your phone is changed from dark to light, and now you just need to go back into the home screen and let's visit your Instagram. And your Instagram will be automatically changed from dark mode into the light mode. So that is the way how to change your Instagram display on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.